This is an initial view of the Wasino optical profile grinder in our showroom. The machine is equipped with a variable speed workhead, a variable speed wheel head, and table reciprocation. It also includes a 4-axis digital readout for both the table left and right, in and out, and the wheel head left, right, in and out. The machine has a integral dust collector unit with it. Excuse me. All power is off the main incoming power. There are step-down transformers for the digital readouts, etc. The control panel includes a variable speed for the wheel head up to 3,500 RPMs. It also has variable speed for the table reciprocation from 0 to 200 strokes per minute. That's at full speed on the wheel and slowed down. The workhead is also variable speed, adjusted from the front. A view of some of the additional wheels that we have available. There's a large container. I have to open it up and verify the total number, but there's quite a few, both new and used. The table is moved left and right, in and out via these handles, and you can see we have movement on the digital readout. That's 50 millionths half tenth for both left and right and in and out. The table, or excuse me, the wheel head is adjusted with left and right with these handles. That's left and right. This is in and out. 1/10 resolution on the wheel head movement. 50 millionths or 1/2 resolution on the workhead movement left and right and in and out. We have both high and low intensity on the bulb. For the optics, it's a 20 power lens on the unit. Table movement is both high and low. To raise it, that's high, this is low, and then you also have a button to lower the table. Workhead is controlled here. The speed is on the end of the motor. You have adjustment for rotation about the wheel head axis, plus or minus 8 degrees. You have adjustment for the vertical movement of the wheel head axis, once again plus or minus 8 degrees. You have rotation for the main slide. It's currently set at 30 degrees. And you can see the scale for the left and right movement and the scale for the in and out movement from the two handles that we'd looked at. This is a view of the machine nameplate. It's a model GLS50A, built in 1991, serial number 145. The rear electrical cabinet is open for us to put auxiliary power on the unit. This is a coolant fan unit, and you also have a access door to get at the lenses and so forth inside the machine. It's an overall view of the machine. All the various axes of freedom all have locks on them. You have a plate here indicating grinding wheel speed and belt sizes for different choices for wheel speed and application. That's 3,500 RPM, and that's 200 strokes a minute.